Welcome back. So we're in part 4 of this series of videos, isn't it? Okay, now our aim is to create a building. Okay, in the sense we've finished the building, the topography, isn't it? The civil work has been done. Now we need to create a mass, but you need to understand in this video, in this drawing, there is different elevations. Let's say a hidden line, isn't it? You get the picture? Yeah. So my question is, how do we make our building? We're architects, isn't it? How do we make the building, architectural building, on a layer or on a level which is not straight? Okay. If you've not seen the previous videos in which I went to the massing and we went to the insert tab, manage link, we linked an AutoCAD file, that's the site, isn't it? And then we went to massing and siting, and massing and site, click topography, topo surface, and then we created this beautiful topo surface, isn't it? We have it in color now. Okay, and now what we're going to do is you're going to click the building pad, click this. Okay, then you're going to select pick lines. Okay, see at this view I believe it is not very visible, the color. I think this is better, isn't it? Because the earlier one was bitter. Okay, listen, what you're going to do is press tab. This is called smartness. Okay, otherwise you can do something like this, place one by one by one. I would hold one, John's favorite key, tab. Looks good. Okay, I think that's it. Done. Our tab is our building pad is completed. Okay, looks perfect. Okay, next video what we will do is we'll be creating mass on this. Okay, I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. We're going to have series of class, a lot of tricks and hidden secrets you'll learn. Okay, our aim is that, isn't it? My aim is that you to learn it in a most straightforward manner, isn't it? Anyway, take care and we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.